Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is April the 15th, 2024, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse. These are the pansies that were transplanted out of that food tray in this video here. So today is February the 26th, 2024. And these are some of the pansies seedlings here that we started these in trays, and you can see how pretty they are. They've been blooming like crazy. Beautiful flowers on them. And you can see how much they've grown since they've been transplanted. So we call these the happy faces of spring. Look how large these blooms are. These are gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you this quick update video here on how these here are doing. Now, we are watering these, and they do sometimes, you do have to make sure that they are getting moist because there's so much foliage here. So when we water them, we kind of go down and we water the soil to make sure that we're actually getting the soil wet. So we're keeping these moist but not soggy. And these are going to be getting transplanted outside then after the danger of frost is past. And these will be getting moved to the other greenhouse to start the hardening off process. I will have a video at the end of this video that you can check out for how to harden your seedlings off before you just plant them outside. And especially if you're growing your stuff indoors under lights, it's very important that you harden your seedlings off before you just put them outside and your plants. Now, another thing that you want to watch out for, here's a honeybee here. Don't want to get stung. One thing you want to watch out for on your pansies is you want to watch out for aphids, and you want to watch out for spider mites and whiteflies, because they will attack your pansy plants. So you want to make sure that those don't get on there. We are monitoring this. We did have some on here, and we are, here you can see there's one here. And we have seen ants on here, so we have to get rid of the aphids. We do have our sticky traps up that kind of helps tell us some of what's in the greenhouses, and does help to catch certain things, but you want to get the aphids before they actually get to the point that they're starting to fly, because that's when the infestation is completely out of control. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!